chewy kimchi pancake. I always have kimchi in my fridge so I can fix a quick meal in no time. In a traditional kimchi pancake, you would use all-purpose flour, but in my version, I was using tapioca starch and rice flour. By using these two flours instead of all-purpose flour gives a chewy texture to the kimchi pancake. And for the dipping sauce, I was using sugar, soy sauce, a little bit of water, sesame seeds, and a little bit of gochugaru. To avoid burning the kimchi pancake, make sure that you use medium to medium-high heat. I hope you like my version of chewy kimchi pancake. If you have tried to make it at home, don't forget to tag me and let me know how it goes. I'll see you next time.